Every day is a gift. Every day is an opportunity. But far too often, people wake up and treat it like just another day. They repeat yesterday's mistakes, carry old burdens, and drift through life without purpose. If you want to become a stronger, better version of yourself, you must begin by understanding the power of daily renewal. You must understand that each sunrise is an invitation, a chance to rebuild, refresh, and reinvent yourself. You have the power to decide who you will be today, and the choices you make now will shape your tomorrow. Think about it. Life doesn't wait for anyone. Time moves forward whether we are ready or not. The moments we waste regretting the past or worrying about the future are moments we could have used to grow, to strengthen ourselves, to take one more step toward the person we were meant to be. Daily renewal is about taking control of your life, refusing to let circumstances dictate your future, and intentionally choosing to become better each day. It's about understanding that progress is not a single monumental event, but a series of small, deliberate actions. The first step in this process is reflection. Each morning, before you even check your phone or respond to the demands of the world, take a moment to ask yourself, who do I want to be today? How can I improve? What can I do differently? These are not idle questions. These are the questions that separate those who drift through life from those who actively shape their destiny. Daily renewal begins with awareness. You cannot rebuild yourself if you are unaware of the person you are now and the person you want to become. Once you are aware, the next step is action. Renewal is not just a mindset, it is a practice. It requires effort, discipline, and a willingness to step out of your comfort zone. Every day, commit to actions that bring you closer to your goals. Maybe it's dedicating an extra hour to learn a new skill. Maybe it's confronting a fear you've been avoiding. Maybe it's letting go of a toxic habit or repairing a broken relationship. The specifics do not matter as much as the principle. Every day, do something to build a stronger, better version of yourself. One of the most important aspects of daily renewal is letting go of yesterday. People carry old failures, grudges, and regrets like weights that keep them from moving forward. But today is not yesterday. You cannot change the past, and holding on to it will only stunt your growth. Daily renewal is about forgiveness, release, and focus. It is about waking up and saying, I may have stumbled yesterday, but today I rise. I am not defined by my failures. I am defined by my persistence, my resilience, and my commitment to improvement. Every day you wake up, you have a choice: carry the burden of yesterday or step into the freedom of today. Daily renewal also demands consistency. One day of effort is not enough. One day of discipline does not create transformation. Growth is built over time, brick by brick, day by day. Think of a tree. It does not grow to its full height in a single day. It grows a little bit every day, sometimes unnoticed, but over time, it becomes strong, rooted, and unshakable. Your growth works the same way. The person you are becoming is forged in the consistent, daily decisions you make to be better than you were yesterday. Moreover, daily renewal is not just about work or achievement. It is also about mindset, perspective, and gratitude. Take time each day to reflect on what you are thankful for, to celebrate the small victories, and to recognize the progress you have made. Gratitude fuels resilience. When you appreciate the opportunities you have, you are more likely to take advantage of them. When you focus on progress rather than perfection, you cultivate patience and perseverance. Renewal is as much about strengthening your inner life as it is about building your outer life. Let's talk about courage. Renewal requires courage. It requires the courage to face yourself honestly, to admit where you have fallen short, and to commit to doing better. It requires the courage to break free from the patterns that no longer serve you and to step into uncertainty with faith in your potential. Every time you choose to rebuild yourself, you are practicing courage. Every time you wake up and decide to be better than you were yesterday, You are choosing growth over comfort. And it is this courage that separates the ordinary from the extraordinary. You must also understand the ripple effect of daily renewal. When you commit to improving yourself each day, it influences every area of your life. Your relationships, your work, your health, your mindset, all of these are impacted by your commitment to renewal. A stronger you leads to stronger connections, better decisions, and a greater ability to contribute to the world around you. When you rise, you lift those around you. Daily renewal is not selfish. It is the foundation for a life of impact, influence, and purpose. Finally, remember this: daily renewal is a choice. It is a decision you make every morning when you open your eyes. You may not control the challenges that come your way, but you do control how you respond. You may not control the past or the circumstances of your life, but you do control the person you choose to be today. And when you make that choice consistently, when you commit to being stronger, better, and more resilient each day, you set yourself on a path to greatness. So, start today. Look in the mirror and ask yourself, who do I want to be today? Then act. Take the small steps, the consistent actions, the intentional choices that move you toward that person. Let go of yesterday. Embrace today. Commit to being stronger than you were yesterday. Rebuild yourself every day, and you will discover that the key to a better, stronger, and more fulfilled life is not found in some distant future. It is found in the courage, discipline, and intentionality with which you live each day. Remember, greatness is not a destination, it is a daily practice. It is the result of waking up each morning with purpose, with vision, and with a commitment to becoming the best version of yourself. Daily renewal is your path to strength. Daily renewal is your key to resilience. Daily renewal is your invitation to rise again and again until you become everything you were created to be. Before you can rebuild yourself, before you can take your life to the next level, you must first know who you are. Self-awareness is not a trendy concept or a passing idea. It is the foundation upon which all growth is built. Without understanding yourself, without being honest about your strengths and weaknesses, your efforts to improve will be scattered, unfocused, and limited. Self-awareness is the mirror that reflects your true potential, the compass that guides your decisions, and the flashlight that illuminates the areas in your life that require change. If you want to become a stronger, better, and more resilient person, it all begins with knowing yourself deeply and honestly. Many people avoid self-reflection because it is uncomfortable. Looking in the mirror and acknowledging your flaws is not easy. Admitting that there are areas in your life where you fall short, that you have habits holding you back, that you've missed opportunities or hurt others, it can be painful. But growth is never comfortable. Transformation begins when you confront yourself without excuses, without judgment, and with the determination to improve. True self-awareness requires courage. It requires the willingness to face the truth about yourself, even when it stings. And it requires the commitment to act on what you discover. Understanding yourself starts with identifying your strengths. What are the unique gifts you bring into this world? What are the qualities that others admire in you? What tasks, activities, or roles energize you rather than drain you? Your strengths are not just talents, they are the tools you can leverage to create a meaningful life. When you know what you excel at, you can focus your energy on developing those areas, making them sharper, more impactful, and more aligned with your purpose. Strengths give you momentum, confidence, and a sense of direction. They are the foundation on which you can build everything else. Equally important is recognizing your weaknesses. Most people avoid looking at their weaknesses because it is uncomfortable or even shameful. But weaknesses are not failures, they are opportunities. They are signals of areas where you can grow, adapt, and improve. Being self-aware means knowing where you struggle, what triggers negative behavior, and what patterns keep you from achieving your goals. The moment you acknowledge your weaknesses, you take away their power over you. You begin to see them as challenges to overcome rather than as obstacles that define you. Self-awareness is the act of turning your limitations into lessons, your flaws into fuel for growth. Self-awareness also extends to understanding your habits, both conscious and unconscious. Every day, you perform actions that shape your future, often without realizing it. Some habits serve you while others hold you back. Which ones are helping you move closer to your goals, and which ones are keeping you stuck? This level of awareness requires reflection, honesty, and sometimes outside perspectives. Journaling, meditating, and seeking feedback from trusted mentors or friends can reveal patterns you might not notice on your own. By recognizing your habits, you gain the ability to intentionally replace those that hinder you with actions that propel you forward. Another crucial aspect of self-awareness is understanding your emotions. How do you respond to stress, failure, or criticism? How do fear, anger, or doubt influence your decisions? Emotional self-awareness allows you to take control of your reactions instead of being controlled by them. When you understand your emotional triggers, you can pause, assess, and respond thoughtfully rather than impulsively. This kind of mastery is what separates individuals who react to life from those who respond to it with purpose, clarity, and strength. Self-awareness is also about knowing your values and your vision for life. What principles guide your decisions? What kind of person do you aspire to be? Without clarity about your values, you risk chasing goals that are not aligned with your true self. When your actions are in harmony with your values, you experience a sense of fulfillment and integrity. When they are not, even achievements can feel hollow. Daily self-reflection helps you stay aligned with your principles and ensures that the person you are becoming is intentional, not accidental. It's important to remember that self-awareness is not a one-time event. It is a lifelong practice. You must check in with yourself regularly, evaluating your growth, reassessing your goals, and being honest about where you stand. Life changes, circumstances change, and so do you. The person you were a year ago, a month ago, or even a week ago is not the same as the person you are today. Continuous self-awareness allows you to adjust your course, refine your actions, and ensure that every step you take is moving you closer to the person you want to become. Furthermore, self-awareness leads to better decision-making. When you know yourself, you can make choices that are aligned with your strengths, values, and goals. You can avoid situations that compromise your integrity or drain your energy. You can choose relationships, careers, and habits that support your growth rather than undermine it. Self-awareness is not just a personal tool, it is a strategic advantage. The clearer you are about who you are, the more effectively you can navigate the complexities of life and create opportunities for success. Finally, self-awareness is the foundation for rebuilding yourself every day. It is the starting point for discipline, resilience, and transformation. When you understand yourself, you know what to build upon, what to improve, and what to let go of. You know where to focus your energy, what habits to cultivate, and what boundaries to set. Without this awareness, even the most determined efforts can be wasted. With it, every action becomes intentional, every decision becomes strategic, and every day becomes an opportunity to grow stronger, wiser, and more capable. So take the time to know yourself. Sit in reflection, ask the hard questions, and answer honestly. Identify your strengths and leverage them. Recognize your weaknesses and use them as opportunities for growth. Understand your habits, master your emotions, and align your actions with your values. Make self-awareness a daily practice, and you will discover that the foundation for a stronger, better, and more resilient you is already within you. It is not something you must search for in the world, it is something you must uncover in yourself. Remember, self-awareness is not just about knowing who you are, it is about taking ownership of who you can become. It is the key that unlocks your potential, the light that illuminates your path, and the foundation upon which you rebuild yourself every single day. When you cultivate self-awareness, you gain clarity, purpose, and the power to transform your life from ordinary